Alright everybody, we're going to do a teardown of this, what I'd consider a FRANKINSUB. Basically it's a Orion motor, probably an HCCA, some kind of a, I don't know what the basket is. It's a pretty common open upper lower half basket that you can reach right in. The spider looks like a SPL spider, probably a triple layer spider, and an SPL audio dust cap, but I'm not exactly sure what the surround is. Looks like a Mega Roll V2. I don't exactly know what coil or anything that is that's in it, but what we are going to do is sharpen my blade here real quick, and we'll cut this baby open. Okay, first things first, there's no sense in trying to save anything. When you're doing a subwoofer, you pretty much, if you can save the dust cap, that's a possibility. But everything else, it's you just buy new. You don't want to get into trying to save anything. It's just too much. Actually, you're supposed to cut away from yourself. I think we'll be alright. Unless I shed some blood, then this ain't going online, huh? I don't think that meets requirements for YouTube is bloodshed. I think it's any bodily fluids or something like that. But anyway, we'll get this, flip this up. Pretty much, I'm going to go ahead and cut around here, get this all out of here. It's just easier to get down in. So what I want to do is I need to get some measurements. Well, these leads, they seem to be cutting easier than the surround. Okay, it looks like triple layered leads, flat wire tinsel leads, probably at least 1,500 watts per side is what that could take. That's quite a bit. But let's see here. Now what I want to do is cut this surround, or this spider, because there's just no sense in beating around the bush here. We just get right down to it. Leaves getting in the way. Okay, so I imagine this is a triple layer. Oh, we got some still hooked. There we go. Yeah, it's a flat wire, aluminum probably. And she is cooked. She is cooked. Looks like it even melted the triple ring, or the triple joint ring. So this is a 4 layer. 1, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is a triple layer spider. Look how dark that is, how smoked that is. Gotta love that smell. Oh. Is that what happened? Looky what happened. If you can see in there in the light. That's what happened. I'm gonna have to call the customer and explain to them what happened. Whether it got so hot that broke the glue loose and made the screen come out of there. But I don't know if anybody can, if you can actually see this. Now, let me get a light. Real quick, I'll be right back. Okay. See if I can show in here what happened. See right in there? That is the screen from the inside of the motor, so it doesn't allow things to make it through the vent in the back, the center of the center of the motor. It's stuck. It's welded to the side of the inside of the coil. Now, my question is, like I said, did this get so hot that it melted the glue and made it come up out, or did it just come up out? Huh. Surprisingly, he didn't launch his amplifier. So it says John Charles. It says John Charles. I don't know. It said something else there too. Somebody wrote on the coil. But anyway, what we'll do is get some measurements of the coil and the length of the former and the coil height, and get something fitted for this, and get a cone surround. And the customer wants a Scar Audio dust cap, but I'm having a hard time with that. So, but thank you everybody so much for watching, and we'll get some more videos of this being built. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.